I've taken depositions of his experts. When we were in Spain, we were, how many hours ahead? We were drinking all day, and I would just take his expert deposition.
I was like, Bob, you want to take this expert depo? He's like, yeah, fuck, I'll take it. And Bob shit on this expert.
So you're doing that from
I love
Spain?
it. Yes.
Yeah, on Zoom.
You do love expert depos.
Expert depos.
Yeah.
If everybody's watching the show, I will take an expert deposition on any spine, radiology, anything you want for a bottle of Boss Hog. Tap me in. I will do it.
Boom.
Live it.
There you go.
Yeah, and
I love it.
Bob did I was going to take the depo myself. I was prepping for it all day. Bob was like, I'll do it. I was like, fuck, okay. So I just sat in the background and we were drinking during the depo. And with a neuropsych.
Yeah.
And truly, Bob's like the whisperer, man, because he got this guy to agree. So many concessions he got on this guy. I settled the case like 2 days later.
Yeah.
Bob really got this. And Bob didn't know shit about the case.
Yeah.
Well, I studied for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, he got I gave him just a little bit, and then he really got this expert to agree with a lot of his stuff.
Yeah. I love the science of medicine and all the shit that we do as lawyers, and I can get into it and understand it and dumb it down enough to like ask a question a juror would understand, get the answer you want, get out. Get out. By the way, this smells hot. Where's the whiskey sommelier? Travis, fucking Arizona attorney. I can smell the 130 from here.
And we're drinking all this stuff neat too, so we're drinking it right out of the bottle.
You know, an expert
Actually,
depo.
that's not bad. For that
good.
proof, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
I know a lot of people who love this barrel select.
That expert depo will get your case settled.
So
it'll get your case resolved. If you do a good expert depo, you'll get a good offer.
So
eventually.
most cases, that's where you're going to get max value.
Yeah.
Expert witness on. Same in Indiana.
Yeah. I feel like it's the same everywhere. You know,
But a lot of people don't know that.
No,
They don't know that.
no.
So I know, like, we direct traffic our cases now in Arizona. And Alex, give you first look there because you'll get a premium on the case because people know you have that.
In Arizona, you said?
Indiana.
Yeah.
Did I say Arizona?
Yeah.
Well,
It's been
you've
way
had a
too
few
many
bottles,
episodes.
you know.
Jesus Christ. I almost said Tennessee because that was a Tennessee liquor, but I corrected myself to Arizona. But you're the hammer at the end, so that you get max value, and insurance companies know that.
Yeah.
No
Yeah, I mean,
weird
we
laws
litigate-
like caps or anything in there?
There's cap.
In
In Indiana, there's caps. Yeah, I mean, we have caps, but I mean, we're litigating 60-70% of our cases.
Is there a special damage or the general damage cap?
There is a cap for the adult. If you're unmarried without any dependents, you're capped at $300,000 for wrongful death.
What?
Isn't that fucking crazy?
For wrongful death, 300 grand?
Yeah. Now I heard you guys talk about med mal caps. Our caps are higher. We got 1.2 million for a med mal case if it's a qualified provider. So they have to register with the Indiana Department of Insurance as a qualified healthcare provider. But we do a lot of nursing home cases. We've started doing a lot of those, and a lot of those nursing homes aren't qualified. And so we just file it as a general, negligence case. So we're not capped in those.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
interesting.
And we've been doing a lot of civil rights cases too, which are interesting. You get a lot of motions practice in those cases, but their average case value is a lot higher than, car crash case. I mean, the state minimum policy limits in Indiana are 25 grand.
Ours are 15 in California.
15 grand in a
They're
place
up
like
again next
California.
year. You would think we were
Jesus.
tied for last with Florida on that one until recently.
Oh my God.
January 1st goes up to 2550.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then in like 2028 it goes up to 3060 or no, 5100.
Do people have to waive uninsured, underinsured coverage? Because in
do.
Indiana, they have to sign
they
a
have to
waiver.
sign. But
Yeah.
nobody knows, man. And that's
No.
the best up part is nobody knows.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, every UIM case I get, if they're like, there's no coverage, they waived it, I'm like, okay, well, show it to me. Show me the signed waiver. And I've had a few, where they just can't produce the signed
produce
waiver.
it, yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
I've had a bunch of those where they can't.
You seem like you love this shit.
Oh my God. This is, I tell people, it's not even a career, it's a calling. Like I'm pulled to it like gravity, dude, Like I love doing what I do.